What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Mrs.CatNap from Game Toon's Smiling Critters. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw on the nose. We're going to start from the top. We're going to add a curve going up and then down. Now on either side we're going to bend the nose, coming down and then in towards the center point. From the tip of the nose we're going to draw the top edge of the mouth. Let's start with the left side. Bend this across and then up towards the corner of the mouth. Go back to the center, come down, and then up towards the right. And I want to add a curl around the corner of the mouth. So we're going to step in, bend this out, and then down like a bracket. Let's go back to the side of the nose. We're going to draw the bottom of the eye, coming down, and then up towards the outside. Then we'll go back to the inside and draw a half oval for the top of the eye. We're going to come in, round at the top, and then come down towards the outside, go to the right and do the same thing. Let's pull the pupils towards the inside. Starting on the left, we're going to draw an oval, going up, down, and then bend that in. Let's line that up on the right side. And then we want to fill the outside of the eyes in black. On the outside of each eye, I'm going to draw two short lines going out for the lashes. Let's move up to the top and draw the eyebrow, curving this up and then down. From the corner of the mouth, I want to step up and draw two small ovals for the cheeks, coming around and back up. And then we'll move up and draw on the cheeks. Let's step up on the left. Bend this across, down, and then curl that up on the end. Let's go back to the side and draw the bottom of the head. Come down, round out the chin, come in towards the middle, go across, and then pull that up on the right. Now we're going to go to the right side and close off the side of the head. So we're going to step out, go around the eye, and bend that in just up above the eyebrow. Then we'll add a curl for the hair going up the middle. Let's step down, add that curl, going around, across towards the left, and then down. Let's add a second layer for the top, coming around, down, and then in. And we want to close out the left side of the head, starting out here, going out, and then down. Let's draw in the left ear, starting from the top, then this up, and then out. The ear coming down and then in towards the side of the head. Go back to the tip and add a fold, coming in and down. Let's add that bow on the right side. So we're going to start with a half oval, going up and then down. Go to the top left, go up and across, round this out, and then come down on top of the hair. Let's draw on the right bow, stepping over, going up, rounding this out and coming in, flip this out, and then back in. Now I want to take this ear and flip it over on the right side in behind the bow. So we're going to start by lining this up, going up and out, come down, and then bend that in, and then we'll add that fold. Now that we complete the head, let's move down and draw baby catnap strapped to the body. We're going to start with the nose, start with a upside down triangle. From the tip, bend the mouth, coming down and out toward the left and right. Let's go back to the side of the nose, draw two ovals for the eyes, going all the way around. And then we'll have him looking up. So along the top, add a small circle. And we'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black. From the side of the eyes, we're going to step out and add some fur. I'll do this up and down. Add another one. So add two on either side. And we'll close off the bottom of the chin with a half circle. Coming down Let's add 3 small dots on either side for the freckles. Now I want to close off the top of the head, starting on the left side, go up above the eye, pull it down in the middle, go up across the right and back down. Now let's add in the ears. From the top of the brow, bend this up and out, come down and in, and then from the tip, add a fold. Let's add in the body. Over on the left side, we're going to draw an oval tucked in underneath the head. Let's move to the center, draw a small circle, step down and add a curve. Let's add the 2 feet, curve this around and then up on the left and right side. And you want to separate the bottom of the feet with a curve. Let's move up and draw in the arms, going out and back in. And then again, we're going to separate the hands. Let's add a strap in between. From the top of the ear, come down and in, step out, draw that same angle line, coming in behind the head. Now from the side of the head, we're going to step out, curve the body, coming in and then down towards the hips. Let's add a strap in behind, curve this down and in behind the head, step down and draw that again. Now from the baby's body, we're going to step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg, going out and then down toward the left heel. Go to the right, go out and then down towards the right heel. Now we want to add 3 large toes on either side. Let's start from the left, bend the foot, coming down, round up the toe, and then hook that back in. Let's add 2 more toes in behind, starting from the bottom, going around and then in. And we'll do that one more time, going around, pull that up, and then in towards the top of the foot. Now we're going to go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. Let's start with a curve going out and then down. Now it's going to bend this back out towards the top of the foot. Now I'm going to separate the ankles with some fur, starting from the outside, bend this up and in, come down and in, bend that up, and then bend that back in. Let's take that and flip it over on the right. Start by coming up, bend this in, up, and in. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw on the arms. From the top of the body, we're going to step down, bend the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist. Let's line this up on the right side. Come down towards the same height. Now from the wrist, we're going to draw a half circle for the thumb, and then close off the end with a bracket. Now I want to layer 3 fingers along the bottom. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, come down and up around that bracket, step down, curve down and up with the 2nd finger. Now the 3rd finger, we're going to go out, bend the arm, we're just going to taper the arm going up and then in, just underneath the strap. Let's do the same thing on the right. Start with the 1st finger, 2nd, and then the 3rd. Just going to bend this up and then in. And we're also going to separate the wrist with some fur, starting from the outside, bend this in and up, down and out, come in. And it's going to curl this in toward the top of the thumb. And we'll do the same thing on the right. Now the last thing we're going to do is add the tail coming out from the right hip. So we're going to start out here, bend this out and up in behind the arm. Now we want to continue this curve, just follow this up above the arm, going up and then out. Let's round out the tail. And we're going to follow this curve coming back in towards the hip, going in behind the arm. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Mrs.CatNap from Game Toon Smiling Critters. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.